I'm going to show you how to install the Chrome browser on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. If you've accidentally deleted Chrome or you've bought a brand new PC or laptop that doesn't have Chrome already pre-installed, then following this will get it to you in no time. Now, the first thing we're going to do is head on down to the search bar at the bottom, or alternatively press the start bar and search for Microsoft Edge and click on it. Microsoft Edge is pre-installed in all Windows PC or laptops, but if for some reason you're missing this as well, just head on over to the Microsoft Store and re-download it there. In your tap navigational bar, head on over to Google or your preferred search engine and type in the box in the middle, Google Chrome download. From here, just click on the very top option and then just click on this central blue button, download Chrome. In your top right, you'll see your downloads folder. All you need to do is click on Chrome setup.exe, or alternatively open up the downloads folder and click on it there. Now, all you have to do is go through the download wizard, allow the application to download and install fully, and now Google Chrome is installed. You can confirm this by opening up your search bar and typing in Google Chrome. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.